Well, hello there. I thought I heard new voices, and welcome to Sunnyside, folks. And this is LOTSO, the Hugger Bear. The first thing you need to know about him, he is a hugger. And it looks like you've been looking for something like this for a long time, haven't you? So now, let me introduce you the Xiaomi Civi 3 LOTSO edition. And if you want to have this phone, head to Gizstop and Geek Wheels. Links down below. So now let's unbox them. First, let's unbox this gift box. First, we have this beautiful card, and immediately I can smell the strawberries. First, we have this air socket phone stand. It smells like strawberries. Now, this air socket phone stand, you can pull it out and it will serve as a beautiful phone stand. We will show you how it works later. Now, next we have this fluffy lanyard. It really feels smooth to the touch, and you have these gold chains and small decorative items here. It's really beautiful, right? And then we have a beautiful phone case, and two things that about this phone case is that there's a small hook here, so you can hang the lanyard with the phone case, and it's magnetic. So when it's paired with this phone stand, see, voila, really cute, right? So when you have the phone stand, the lanyard, and the phone case paired up with the phone, it looks really cute in your hands. Now we have this phone. Let's unbox this. First thing you can see is the car pin. It's also made from the LOTSO figure, so it's really cute. Now, underneath it, we have this phone. The paper that wrapped this phone is also with a strawberry pattern. It's a really thoughtful detail. Wow. It looks really cute. So the phone, the back design is really special. When you look at it, if I didn't show you from certain angles, you will see that it's just the color scheme is just like LOTSO, but there's some hidden details here. The LOTSO figure here is 3D sculpted, and you can feel the texture on the surface, and the hair looks really lively here. Actually, it's really lively, so you can feel that from certain angles. You can really see the detail of the hair. So yeah, really cute detail. And the frame is also golden colored, so it's really cute. You can see the LOTSO logo here, but actually there's no sound of LOTSO speaking or anything, but there are some hidden details later I will show you. As you can see, the wallpaper is still LOTSO. It feels really pinky and fluffy, very cute and warm. And there's a surprise hidden in the voice assistant, and if you can speak Chinese, you can call up the voice assistant, but it will be LOTSO instead of other figures. Let me show you. 小爱同学，草莓熊在吗？ So there's a hidden feature in the camera app. Once you take a selfie, you can use the LOTSO frame. Let me show you. So as you can see, there are a lot of LOTSO style frame here you can choose from. They are all so cute. So I'm going to choose this one because I like it. It has all the fluffy and warm tone to the frame. So when it's charging, there's a surprise. It's the LOTSO's arm, and he's getting a lot of strawberries. Honestly, I can't really figure out why LOTSO becomes a popular character in China, but trends are unpredictable anyway. As the villain of Toy Story 3, it was not loved by everyone, but it looks cute with its pinky color scheme and such an adorable appearance, so Disney has enough reasons to make it a household name. Although Christmas is over, it should be perfect as a New Year's gift for your girlfriend or your wife. They really need your love. Don't forget, this phone is available on Giztop and Geek Wheels. Bye!